This is our app Sahana Music. We have launched it in Google Play Store and iOS App Store. So this is the home page of the app where we display all the upcoming events. Events in the sense, in Carnatic music world we call it concerts or kacheri. We display all the upcoming events. Okay, we collect it from the reliable sources like sabas, organizers, and we upload it in this app. Then there's a practice timer, I will explain it, and the important posts. There are a lot of main tools and other tools for practicing learning things, and a concert summary. Then we maintain community, that is, the app has features for the musicians to create communities and maintain it. So this lists. So like this, the home page has details of all the important features of the app that the user is interested, and there's a search button to search for user profiles, and it is this user self profile, and the notification list is there in the top. Then we come to the important part of the thing, event. The bottom tab I am clicking, so it lists all the upcoming events in the Carnatic music world. So concert, it's public event, it's free event, like who is singing, who are the accompanying instruments. So all the details we show here. So when we click a particular event, further details are shown, where it is happening, what is the time, duration, whether I am attending event. I can click attend 3 people, so that I am marking as 3 people are attending from my side. Okay, and if I want to express my wish to the musician, sing a particular song, okay, I can type that. Okay, I'm saving it. So like the people can do plus ones, give some hearts, so that musicians can target that in their concerts. Okay, like this event list, we can search by venue, the location, and the event organizers, then artists, then event series. There are festivals happening, those we call as series, and the event type, it is concert or lecture demonstration and things like that. We can search by date, by a single date, or a time or date range. We can select, say, January 7th to 28th 23, like that. I can pick the range. Like that, there are a lot of filtering options available in this app with respect to events. Okay, next, so another important area is a learning tool. Okay, we have the first tool. I'll go by one. The first tool is a metronome tool. Okay, where if I start, the sound is coming and it shows the beat. I hope the sound you are able to listen. So like this, there are metronome tool here, and we have a calculation, we call it chord wave calculator, and it will display the applied chord waves everywhere. Okay, and here you can see a lot of changes. We can change the jati, we can change the gati, we can turn the beats per minute, what is the wait time, and things like that. A lot of things we can change here. If I start, you can see the timer changes, and it waits for 10 seconds for the metronome to start. So the duration, everything changes here actually. You can see that I am closing down, coming back. Next is the Melakarta Raga. We can type a particular raga here. So the raga is Swarnangi. Like that, there are different. We can change the note and how the raga structure changes. We can easily see in our thing. Next is find raga by Avarohanam. So this is also a raga tool. We can type the notes and see what raga appears in the top. We can see that. click any raga to see some more details. So this is an app that is focusing Carnatic music perfectly. And raga by name, I can type some raga and it will display the matching raga. So you can click and see that is there. Then there is a Malagartha matrix. There are 72 Malagartha ragas arranged in a matrix form here. We can click that and see. And Corvey calculator, chakras. Okay, how the chakra structure is arranged is actually shown here. And life history of the composers and some details about musical instruments. So some more detail are to be put, but we have arranged given up to 40 instruments we have given. Next, there are Carnatic music terms. There are a lot of terms are there, and we can click a particular term, and we can click to see the details about that. Next, there is a note map is there, so it shows what Ga 1 and Re 2 are share the same position. Similarly, Ga 2 and Re 3 share the same position. Like that, the note map is given. Then Akshara calculator, we can select Tala, Jati and Gati, and we can see the calculate how many aksharas, how many matras, what is the structure of this angas pattern and things like that we can see here. Okay. Next, Malagartha raga list. Next, Alangaram maker, where if we type few patterns like this, and generate, it will generate up to Apasa. So this is Alangaram maker. Then there's a theory in Carnatic music, Katapayati system. We have explained the theory behind the Katapayati system. Like this, there we have built around 16 tools here. We can see 16. Then post. So this is where user can express their thoughts. Okay, how Instagram has posts, we can also put post here actually. Okay, people will share their concept, whatever they wish to say, they will say. We can actually see there. Okay. So similarly, we have story feature also. Story we call as beat. Okay, when we create a beat, we can select some photos from the gallery and type some content, so we can share the post. Okay, like this there are a lot of features. Then when we come to user profile view, we store everything: user bio, their profile, Instagram, social networking profiles, what posts they have made, what beats they have done, what events they are playing or singing, awards they have got, and achievements, important moments. Like that, there are a lot of things that they can express in our app to build a detailed profile. Actually, detailed profile. Okay. So I'm going back. Then we are slowly introducing a marketplace where people can purchase the books, music books and music videos. And there are a lot of ways we offer internship to the students where, so this is the screen where people can express their wish to do internship with us. This is with respect to Carnatic music only. Similarly, in what way people can contribute to our app, that also we have given. And there are ways people can earn money with Sahana app, that also we have given. So like this, there are a lot of ways people can earn. There's a practice tracker. So if I start the tracking, say the people who are learning music, they can actually play music by starting the tracker here. So in a week they can see how many practices they have made. A graph is shown actually, how what practices they have made, how many time how long they have practiced. So those things are visible here, which will help them improve their timing actually. Okay, so this is one feature. Like this, we are introducing a lot of features in the app. So this is the first version of the app. Thank you.